Bernard. Oh, thank you. Sure, my Kazarangis, it's Hux, and we are back with another banger. Bernard Ferguson. I don't know too much about him. All I know is that he has a kura named after him. Not only is he Pākehā, but he is also Māori as well. From what I've been told, okay? If I'm wrong, just let me know. But this fella, he could speak fluent te reo Māori, and I don't know if because of what he's done or what he's achieved, they named a kura after him, or he just named the kura after himself. I don't know. But I do know the bro could speak te reo Māori, and he was rapping. The reason why I bring this up, well, today we are going to be reacting to Te Kura Kaupapa Māori, or Bernard Ferguson. So the man, the myth, the legend himself. Let's get straight into it, eh? Here we go. Apparently these guys are mean as. I've been getting spam, bro. But we're here reacting now. So let's go. Hold up. Let me I need to turn this up. There we go. Did these guys place? Because if they didn't place, that's a bit confusing. But you know, I'm a Waiata man. I like the way things sound. When things are sounding like that, I'm like, ooh, I love being serenaded. So that was me. If they're more tia sort of sounds like that, favourite Ropu. Sorry about it. Nice. It's as high. The king of everything. What are you doing watching for free? You think you can just watch this video without dropping a like? Or subscribing? You better sort it out, bro. Subscribe right now. Or else I'll go get some Māoris to chase you down with some sticks. Yeah, that's what I thought. Boy time. I like the vibes. I'm not gonna lie. That last night, there was someone who was a little bit too expressive, and it sounded. I'm not gonna. You know what? I'm just gonna say it was a little bit flat. And by a little bit, I mean a lot of it. I'm gonna keep it 10 toes, G. That's what it was, and you heard it. Don't come at me. It was just a little bit too loud. That was the only thing I heard wrong with it. That was it. Other than that, there was a mean poi. and it was just easy to like, you know, have a bit of a kani. Here we go. Nice. See this fella here? He's gonna be a mean kaiaka. Eee.
takaro. Ia kia kene ki tō mātai rua taniwha. E ngai uia te matu. Te whiki mai. Te take mai. Kiri ngā tūranga wai wai e.
What's my honest opinion on this kapakaropi? Honestly, these fellas are pretty mean. I really enjoyed their haka, bro. They were going hard. Their little fella, I don't know what his name is, but bro, if you're watching this, you the man. I like when people have their own little, their own little twang. Whakieke was probably my favourite. The way it sounded, G. That's the type of sound I'm looking for. Other than that, Bernard Ferguson, you did not disappoint. That's pretty much the end of the video. If you like the video, like the video. If you don't, then don't get out of here. But we are on our way to 900 big ones. I do want to take this time to thank everybody that's been watching, everybody that's been supporting since day one. Shot for doing what you fellas are doing. But other than that, until next time.